Hi everybody. Today we are going to look at how to use our online designer. So we have the page opened here. These are your initial settings. You have add design, add text, or add team name, but we're going to close that out and go through the settings in a little bit more detail. On the left hand side you have the product details. We have the product. We can change the product here. We can look at a bit more information, or we can change the color just by simply clicking on one of the colors here. We have sizing options, so you can use this drop down to change the size. You can choose how many of that size you'd like. Using the little plus button, we can add an additional size if you're going to have a range of t-shirts. We remove that. We have additional options where we can gift wrap your order if it's going to be a gift. We can remove the image background if it's causing an issue in your design. So that's your product options. We have add text. So here you simply click on this, add printing text, and you type in the text that you want. Add design, add team name or numbers. You can change the quantity. This is your current price. You can buy, go to your cart, close. On the right hand side then we have the location. So currently we're on the front of the t-shirt. We can click down and we can change the location. Or you can go onto the actual t-shirt and click on the area that you want to decorate. We can then change and see the back of the product, or the sleeves of the product if we wish. At the bottom here we have preview the design. We can check our cart. We can save our design so we can come back in with it later. And we can share our design. Along here we can zoom in, we can select the different layers. This button here allows us to remove the area border, which lets us see our design a little bit clearer. And then we have undo and redo buttons, which can come in handy sometimes. So we're going to go back to the front of the t-shirt again. We're going to click add design, add printing design. So here we can upload our own image from your PC or your phone. You can upload from Instagram or from your Facebook account. You can also have a look at our store designs and see if there's any in there that you like. We're just going to pick this one here. Select design. And it's going to come up there. So to move it around, we can just click and drag it around to put it exactly where we want it. We can resize it by pulling on the corners. We can rotate it if we'd like to do that. And then on the bottom corner, you see the little red X. That's if we'd like to remove it altogether. Over on the left hand side here, we have the image properties. So it shows us the quality of the product. So the green bar there shows us that this is a very good quality image. If that were to be orange or red, we'd need to think about changing. So we click on colors. These are the colors that are available for this design. We're going to choose a different one. Let's just change the yellow, see how that looks. Okay. We can choose whether or not we want to resize proportionally. So if we want it to stay in the same kind of shape, or whether we want to skew it a little bit. Now these buttons allow us to move it around, and these are going to let us resize it. This here is for our rotating of the image. This lets us center the image exactly in the middle horizontally and exactly in the middle vertically. And these buttons let us flip it horizontally or flip it vertically if we'd like to do that. These bottom buttons are if you have more than one layer of design, and you can decide what's going to be on top and what's going to be on the bottom. So I hope that this has helped you understand a little bit more about how to use our online designer. Thanks for watching.